Hello, Scrapbookers. This is Megan, and I am back today with a new layout for you for the scrapbookingstore.com Kit Club. So, for this one, I am using my new kit for March. I will leave a link below to my kit share, and this one is a little bit different. So, it has two different collections in it. And it also has some different embellishments. They don't all match. And so I had a lot of fun using all of these embellishments that were a little different and showing you guys how you can have fun and make them work. So here you can see I've already started embellishing a little bit. I have these 5 photos of my boys in 2018. We decided for Easter Day we were going to do like a family trip. And so we weren't going to celebrate actual Easter. And we're really not a religious family anyway. And so all we really do is Easter bunny stuff. And sometimes we'll do like a nice dinner. And so we decided that for this year we were going to do an early Easter basket. And so the Easter bunny came Saturday night and left their Easter baskets. And so these are just photos of them going through their Easter baskets and just pulling out all the toys and the goodies that they got from the Easter bunny. And yes, all of our boys know that the Easter bunny isn't real. It's just a fun celebration, right? It's just fun. And so I thought it would be cool to do a grid design. And so here I am just lining up all of the photos. The 2 photos that are on the right side are just of Tinian. He got one of those cute little, I don't even know what they're called, but they're in the eggs and you just kind of rip the egg apart and you pull out a toy. And so they're pictures of him opening the egg and then showing me what he got. So here I'm doing the journaling. And I don't have my layout on me, but basically it's just saying the Easter bunny came early because we were going to be going out of town for Easter Day. And here you can see I have my title already put together in that cluster up there, and it's just simply going to be early Easter. And then I'm going to have that tag that has the journaling on it right underneath the title. And here I'm just adding these cute little bunny ears. They're hearts, but they have like bunny faces and ears on them. So that's going to be one of my embellishment clusters, and that's going to go there with the word celebrate. And here I am just gluing down the word Easter. That is like the triangle banner, and I'm going to glue it down, and then I'm going to do some stitching at the very end. I'm going to bring in my sewing machine. So I have all my photos that I am gluing down, and I'm finishing gluing everything down. I have this cute little tag that came in the kit, and it says an an Easter basket filled with love. And I just thought that was super cute. I'm going to add some of these wood veneer and these enamel heart shapes. I'm going to add those in this little cluster down here in the bottom right hand corner, and those are actually part of the upgrades, and those are from the Indigo and Ivy collection. I'm going to add another little piece of pattern paper along with a little bunny embellishment. I had a lot of fun using all of these bunny embellishments. I don't normally really scrapbook about Easter, and so this was a lot of fun to use these themed embellishments on this layout. And I really, really love how it turns out. So now here you can see I've brought in my sewing machine, and I am at first just going to sew along the top of those triangles, and then I am going to go around the whole outside of the layout. I just thought that would be a very subtle and fun touch to add to the layout. You can also see that I added a couple of puffy stickers up above that the title, and I just thought that looked really pretty. That's also part of the upgrade kit. I apologize if you can hear Max. He is whining in the background. He must be having a dream or something, because he's not awake. He's just whining. But the upgrade came with 3 pieces. It came with a sticker sheet, the puffy stickers, and then also the indigo and ivy. It was wood veneer, the enamel heart shapes, and then some sequins. So make sure that you use my link below, sign up for the kit, and also make sure you sign up to get the upgrades. So now here that I have finished all of the stitching all the way around the layout, I am going to pull the strings through the back of the layout just so that they don't come undone or anything like that or get in the way of the layout. My next step is just to add washi tape to the strings on the back of the layout. I do cut them down so that they are not crazy long. And then that is it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure also to check out my links below, and I will see you again very soon. Bye!